Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be creating this fun look right here using the Melt Cosmetics Radioactive palette. Alright, so dipping into the Radioactive palette, I'm taking the shade Radioactive, which is a hot pink, and I'm just kind of sketching out some shapes on my eye. Now taking the shade Radon, which is a neon orange, I am just gonna kind of blend those two out together. Taking the shade Neon, which is a neon yellow, we are just going to continue that blend. We are doing that same 3-color blend on different shapes all over the eye. Now taking Phantasm Brightmare Drip Liner by the Makeup Institute of Los Angeles, I'm just kind of outlining all of those pink areas with this, as well as putting this color on my brow. Taking Obscure Brightmare Drip Liner and just applying this to my brow as well. And then finishing the brow off with Vibes. Now I'm taking Head Trip Brightmare Drip Liner and placing this all around the pink areas. And then we're going to go in with Xenon from that Melt Cosmetics palette and blend that out a bit. I'm now going in with Thebriabeauty's Sea Nymph Hydro Liner. I'm outlining my brow as well as creating some more shapes. And then we're going to go in with Meltdown and Arsenic from the Melt Cosmetics palette and just kind of blend that line out a little bit, starting with Meltdown because it's darker and working our way into Arsenic. I'm just lining my waterline area using Nicka K Cosmetics Turquoise Eyeliner Pencil, and then we're going in with Beat Gang Lashes De Niro Lashes. I'm taking that same eyeliner pencil and using it as a base on my lips, and then I'm going to go in with Arsenic again and Meltdown and kind of pack that color onto the lips. Now I'm going back in with all of those liners and just creating some shapes around my lip to kind of make everything cohesive, and that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.